Hello, my witchy peeps and family. Of course, you all know who this is. You know what? Sometimes you get what you pay for in life. Okay? One thing about me that my clients know, and one thing I want my potential clients to know, is that I do not force people to do work with me. I'm not going to babysit you. I'm not going to run behind you. If you say you're going to pay me on Friday at 3 o'clock p.m., I'm going to tell you, okay, hit me up when you're ready. All right? That's one thing about me. I'm not going to contact you Friday at 3 o'clock p.m. and say, hey, are you ready? Hey, are you ready to do this work? I'm not going to do that. You know why? Because number one, I'm not desperate for your money. Okay? I have other clients, I have other things that I do in business that I do to support myself, and I have a man that supports me too. So I'm not desperate for your money like that. I'm in this to also make money, but I'm also in this to help people, and I like to see the results as well. Okay, I like to see how things come out. This is what I like to do. I have a passion for this, okay? So when you tell me that and you don't show up, you don't call, you don't send me an email or whatever, fine. I'm thinking that you went on to a different spiritualist. Maybe you got upset about my prices. You thought my prices was too high. And so you wanted to go shop around and see if you could find someone cheaper or go with someone else cheaper, that will do work for like $50 and $100, where I don't know what type of work that is, but that's not neither here or there. But with the spirits and the deities that I deal with, um, me doing work for $50 or $100, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. I mean, their offering alone is is maybe that much, okay? And then I have to have something for myself, okay? So if you can't handle my prices and you want to go ahead and shop around and check out other spiritualists, that's your business. That's fine. You know, you're a grown person. I'm an adult too. You know, if that's what you want to do, I know some people tell you, don't go around to this person, don't go around to that person. I'm not here to tell you what to do, okay? If that's what you want to do, that's what you want to do. The thing is that when you go to these spiritualists and you're telling them, I'm getting work done with this person, I'm getting work done from that person, you know, that's your business. That's what you do over there, and if we're getting work done together, I would appreciate it, honestly, if you wouldn't tell them about me. Honestly, their spirit should already know, or their spirit should already run my face across their mind that you're possibly getting work done for me, okay? So I would appreciate it if you didn't tell them that we're doing any work together, because honestly, they really shouldn't know anything about what we're doing. That's what I tell people. If we're working together, keep it private. If we're working together and I send you pictures, don't show anybody the pictures. Keep it to yourself. Because a lot of other spiritualists are just basically in competition. We're all in competition with each other, really, whether or not we're friendly or whether or not we, don't get along. So basically, I wouldn't say anything honestly because that's going to create some friction on your end, especially if you're going to a spiritualist that possibly don't like me. Don't tell them anything about me that you work with me, or because that's going to make them feel some type of way, okay? They already feel some type of way about the people that support me that come into my chat room because I hear it all the time. People getting mad at them and all that because they went over there and said something about me or whatever. And I'm talking about all different types of spiritualists or whatever, or root workers, because let's be honest, in this root work field, there is a lot of competition. People feel some type of way about everybody or whatever. But I'm just telling you, if you feel that my prices are too high, that's fine. I don't like to do payments, install payments, because it a couple of people messed it up for everybody. That's what I'm saying. I would prefer it if you had all your money together and you came to me, honestly. So I'm putting that out there in the universe, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I'm just saying, sometimes you get what you pay for. You know, I would suggest you go to a quality root worker, the one that you have to, go ahead and put in the little extra funds or whatever, and, get quality work instead of going around to somebody who's going to charge you 30, 50, or $100. Because if you really think about it, what is that? What is that really? You know what I'm saying? Think about it. What type of deity are they working with? What type of spirits are they really working with? And why come, if they're doing this, you know, to make a living, or whatever, where is the part in it for them so that they can live and survive? Okay? So be mindful of that. Like I said, sometimes you get what you pay for. And please, if you want to contact me for a reading or consultation, if you should get work done or if you want work done, check the description box below. Contact me at High Priestess Kathy at yahoo.com or High Priestess Kathy at gmail.com. And I'm out. Bye bye.